Quicken Classic Business and Personal Tutorial. I'm going to tell you how to use Quicken Classic for both business and personal finances. Quicken Classic lets you manage everything in one place: bank accounts, bills, income, and business expenses. Once you open the app, connect your accounts, Quicken will automatically download and categorize your transactions. For personal use, you can set monthly budgets, track spending, and see reports like income versus expenses. You can also add reminders for bills and loan payments. For business, go to the Business tab. You can track invoices, monitor business income and expenses, and separate them from your personal finances. You can also create tax reports and even manage rental properties if needed. It's all in one dashboard. Color coded, simple, and easy to read. Just remember to review categories often so personal and business expenses don't get mixed up.